Hey guys, welcome. So basically, this is the game I was working on for probably oh shoot. How about I fix it later? So basically, this is my game. I made it. Now let's show you around. Basically, if you haven't heard, have you looked front page? I've seen some games that has find the stuff. Find things. So basically, you go and find some things. Now, today I'm just gonna show you most of the birds here. Let's start. Doesn't give you badges right now, so to keep it right here for now. I'll probably get maybe badges, like a fake badge or something. They usually see in these games. That's what you usually do, like a fake badge that literally says you collected it. Or they just give you a real badge and literally gives you a reward. Next stat. Wait, I open that door? Oh, it's open. Next stat. Now most of this is gonna be, oh yeah, I already got the rule. So basically most of this is kinda easy after you know what to do for a while. See him, he's right there. See what Sladdle. That one. And the next alien, I think. Oh, not, but oh my god. Alien. Let's go to Cloud because I don't want to go back here again. Go Pew. Maybe we'll add soon. Add maybe soon. Maybe I'll add like a way to see if you get one. For now, I have to keep doing this slow, simple way. At this point, I recommend you to turn off your split. Actually, maybe not, cause it's so. Now over here is the rainbow bird. Now I know this is insane, but I should probably make this much more invisible. It is kind of impossible because with have to move, it literally make you fall down like 5 times. So I just made it like this, but I think that's kind of bad now. Yeah, so I'm not gonna keep going. Next, you go up to Sladdle. That color is gonna be used for later. Okay, I hope this one works. Okay. Then you go back up this yellow ladder. Kind of stupid that we didn't go in the overflow in the first place. Then you go up here. Get a man up here. Oh, I hope nothing happens to this because, yeah, next time we should probably make that ink code. Okay, let's go got like 2 birds off track. What bird I was on again? Coffee bird and sand bird. Coffee birds. This is slime bird. This is impossible. Did I make the down from last update? No. Oh. Keep forgetting that one. Okay, nope. Don't really do that. Next is sunburn and library and sand. So library, coffee bird. Let's do over here. You got your feral bird, sandbird, and the sunburn bird is over there. Okay, next bird. Oh, we got one then. Except Smokebird. Let's go get Smokebird, Firebird, and Monkeybird. Smoke, Firebird, and Monkeybird. Now first, get Smokebirds, you need to go over to this factory, 100% factory. Now most of this are model models, but some of these models are by Roblox, except the Obby. Let's just keep going. Okay. Oh. Dun dun dun, yeah, dun, dun, dun. So up here's Smoke Bird. Oh, 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 Smoke Bird. Next you got the weird banana that's falling down, and banana. You type in here that code over there. You look at the code, go in here, and you know this code is enter. Now this will make it so you go in the lava room. That you just do this, and I think in this code you get this room. Then I'll show, and this lava bird. And I from that. Now, what's the insane birds? I'm not gonna show it, so because I don't want to guys have a challenge here. Well, just show you guys the rainbow bird. Also, I'm not showing any of these birds except the acid bird. I'm not gonna show that too. Next is the cool bird. Actually. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video. I want you guys to just go find the hard birds and some of the insanes and the impossibles. Why did I put the hard here? In all places. Well, see you later. Bye.